Good morning everyone. Today my topic is on save water by rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storing rainwater for our future use. Rainwater from the clouds collected on the rooftop to the gutter, it passes through the pipe into the filtration tank, which then is filtered, which then passes through the storage tank. Then this water is used for domestic use such as cooking, bathing, washing cars, clothes, gardening, etc. This water is used for our future life. In this way, we can save water for our future. Do not waste water. Water is a precious gift given by God for all of us. Save water, save life. Every drop of water says, save me for your next day. Very important. Thank you.